Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we explore the coolest gadgets of 2025. Today, we're talking about the best portable blender of the year, the BlendJet 2. Whether you're blending at home, at the gym, or even outdoors, this blender is a game changer. Let's dive into why it's the ultimate portable blending solution. BlendJet. First things first, portability. The BlendJet 2 is lightweight, compact, and cordless, making it perfect for life on the go. Heading to the office? No problem. Camping trip? This blender has your back. Its sleek design means it fits easily into your bag, ready to whip up smoothies, shakes, or even baby food wherever you are. Don't let its size fool you. The BlendJet 2 packs a punch. With its stainless steel blade, it crushes ice, frozen fruit, and even tough ingredients effortlessly. Craving a thick smoothie or creamy shake? This blender delivers smooth, consistent results every time. One of its best features is its USB-C rechargeable battery. On a full charge, you can make 15+ blends, so you're covered for days. Recharge it anywhere, from your laptop, car, or even a portable power bank. It's perfect for when you're on the move. Let's talk convenience. The BlendJet 2 is self-cleaning. Just add water, a drop of soap, blend, and voila! It's clean in seconds. It's also super easy to use with a one-button operation, making it ideal for busy mornings or quick post-workout shakes. The 16-ounce capacity is just right. Not too big, not too small. It's perfect for single servings whether you're blending a smoothie for breakfast or a protein shake after the gym. And the quiet motor means you can blend anytime without disturbing others. So why should you choose the BlendJet 2? It's powerful, portable, and perfect for your busy lifestyle. Whether you're crushing ice, whipping up a smoothie, or making baby food, this blender does it all effortlessly. Nutribullet Pro Plus One 200. The Nutribullet Pro Plus One 200 Watt Personal Blender is not just another blender. It's a powerhouse designed to transform your health and simplify your kitchen routine. With its 1200-watt motor, it effortlessly blends even the toughest ingredients like nuts, seeds, and frozen fruits, ensuring you get smooth, nutrient-rich results every time. The addition of a pulse function offers precise control, allowing you to craft everything from silky smoothies to chunky dips and salsas with ease. Its sleek, space-saving design fits perfectly in any kitchen, and the durable, BPA-free cups make it ideal for on-the-go use. Whether you're kickstarting a healthier lifestyle or need a quick, hassle-free way to prep meals, the Nutribullet Pro Plus combines power, convenience, and versatility to make blending more than just a task. It's a game changer for your daily routine. Ninja Bee C151NV. The Ninja Bee C151NV Blast. Portable blender is more than just a blender. It's your portable blending companion for a busy lifestyle. Cordless and USB-C rechargeable, it gives you the freedom to blend anytime, anywhere. Its 18-ounce BPA-free vessel is designed for convenience, with a leak-proof lid and sip spout, making it perfect for smoothies and shakes on the go. Powerful enough to handle fruits and ice, yet compact and lightweight, it's easy to carry wherever you need it. Dishwasher-safe parts ensure effortless cleanup, so you can spend more time enjoying your drinks and less time scrubbing. Whether you're at the gym, in the car, or at your desk, the Ninja Bee C151NV delivers convenience and performance in one sleek package. OTPEIR. The OTPEIR portable blender is your ultimate on-the-go solution for shakes, smoothies, and fresh juices. Compact yet powerful, it comes with an 11.83-ounce travel cup and secure lid, perfect for busy mornings, gym sessions, or outdoor adventures. Its stainless steel blades are designed for high-performance blending, effortlessly handling fruits, vegetables, and even ice for perfectly smooth results every time. Lightweight and easy to carry, it fits seamlessly into your bag, so you can enjoy your favorite blends wherever life takes you. Cleaning is a breeze, and its intuitive design makes it simple to use. No hassle, no mess. Whether you're fueling your day or refreshing after a workout, the OTPEIR portable blender is built to keep up with your lifestyle, delivering convenience, power, and great taste in every blend. Nutribullet Flip. The Nutribullet Flip portable blender redefines convenience, bringing powerful blending and portability together in one sleek device. Designed for life on the go, it features an insulated cup that keeps your smoothies and shakes fresh and cool, whether you're heading to work, the gym, or a road trip. Its compact, lightweight design ensures easy transport, while the durable motor and sharp blades handle everything from soft fruits to ice with ease. With simple one-touch operation, blending is effortless and cleanup is a breeze. Whether you're whipping up a protein shake or a refreshing juice, the Nutribullet Flip Portable Blender makes it easy to enjoy fresh, nutritious drinks anywhere, anytime. If you're loving the convenience of blending wherever life takes you, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more exciting gadget reviews. Until next time, stay healthy, stay active, and keep blending.